Oh my god, Hyperion, amazing! Abyssus, amazing! Zadra, amazing!
Coasts in Europe are right here.
Oh, it's incredible!
Where is Energylandia, and why do you need to go there?
Wow, this is cool going forwards, isn't it? Oh, whoa!
Wait. Let's just back it up a little bit. If you're anything like us, you've been living your life out over the past 2 years in something of a daze. You probably had plans for 2020, and again in 2021, that were cancelled, rebooked, cancelled again, ad nauseum. You may well have, like we did, invested in Merlin Annual Passes, and maybe even Disneyland Paris Annual Passes. And if that is the case, you're probably all about theme parks, rides, roller coasters, food, snacks. Yeah, same. Before we show you just how much fun there is to be had there, you might not already know that you can fly direct to Krakow in around 2.5 hours from Newcastle, Leeds, London, Nottingham, Bristol, Manchester, Edinburgh and Glasgow. I like to use Google Flights to find the best prices from all of my most local airports, utilising the date grid tool. As they sell 1- and 2-day tickets, a 3-night trip is ideal if you only plan to visit the park on your trip. It shows here that the prices are currently typical, so I'll probably look at all the provisional dates that I've planned. To get a better idea, I look at different lengths of trips in case that does have an impact on prices, but have to bear in mind increased trip length invariably means a higher cost for accommodation, car hire, airport parking and food while away, though there is plenty to see and do in the Krakow area itself. The drive to Zadra from the airport is around 3/4 of an hour. We stayed in Western Camp Resort, which has a 24-hour airport shuttle available as a supplement. The resort has a choo-choo train running between it and Energylandia throughout the day till after the park closes. Just make sure that you stand at the right train stop on your left as you exit the park to ensure you don't end up on the car park missing your last ride back, though if you do, the walk is only 5 to 10 minutes. While we were there, on this occasion, particularly for the bigger rides, Energylandia is renowned for being a family park and caters well for all guests, including shows.
Oh my gosh, Harry! It's a Ninja Turtle!
Are brilliant.
I'm literally nearly
Yes.
See how much I lift?
Oh god, it's such a good ride.
There are several dubious copyrighted depictions around the park, which seem more reminiscent of a travelling fairground rather than the 86 acres that makes up Poland's largest amusement park, holding second place in the world for the number of roller coasters in a park. This epic park has 6 different themed areas, with a 7th due to open in 2022, along with another 2 coasters premiering this season, taking the tally to 19. We visited in October for their Golden Autumn in Poland season, and it was spectacular. Everything about the park is clean, and the clear skies of October brightened everything. The parks were only open 10 AM till 6 PM while we were there, and only 4 days a week. But after Easter Day 2022, the park is currently due to be open 7 days a week until the season ends on the 30th of October, with parks open later from the 25th of June till the end of August, and the last 7 of those Saturdays being Magic Nights, when the park stays open till 11 PM. There are some amazing light packages on the rides, so I think that's something we'll be aiming for in the future. There is a fast-pass front-of-the-line system in operation at some of the rides. We didn't feel the need to use it when we noticed the machines, as the queues were so much better than our usual experiences at busy theme parks. I've got 2 important things to mention still, but I'm gonna let this footage speak for itself.
That is what I'm going for. Well, I am looking forward to my hot raspberries down there at the bottom somewhere. Oh my god, that's so nice.
There are more than 50 restaurants, snack bars, food booths and carts, and we didn't find anything that we didn't enjoy. For lunch here, I had salmon, Tony had pork, Oliver had chicken, and there were loads of other choices available.
Is that a cheesecake?
No.
That meal was lovely.
Got ribs.
Gosh, that looked big when you took that away.
That looks nice, onion stuff.
What have you got, my love? Big strong bacon. Eating his big sausage.
We were surprised to see vegetables available and fresh, healthy salads, as well as the standard hot dogs. What's the catch, you might be thinking, and I can't blame you. None of us expected to feel the way we did about this place. But the news just gets better.
Still haven't seen Zadra actually running.
Go.
Oh.
Excitement.
At the time of recording, the Polish zloty is worth less than 19 British pennies. So, 2 courses and drinks in that restaurant for 4 people, £25. 2022 season ticket prices at time of recording . 2-day standard pass, less than £55. A 2-day discounted pass, £37. 3 nights bed and breakfast for up to 6 people, £365. Return flights direct from East Midlands Airport to Krakow Airport, including seat selection and cabin bags both ways, for less than £100 per person. Spending quality family time together? Priceless.
I'm not going on that.
Why?
You can't convince me in a million years to go on that.
I'm not convinced about the stove.
I'm not convinced it should go upside down.
That's what I'm on about, the stove. I have been waiting for this for over a year. Here we go.
Oh, look at that!
Oh, hey! Yes!
We have, quite literally, been there, done that, and got the sweatshirt. I did manage to find one negative. Okay, so can I talk about the toilets? Taps in this one, freezing. Hand dryer in this one, absolutely freezing. But the toilets themselves really clean, spacious, beautiful, theming, really lovely, but so cold on an October day. If you think this sounds like a trip you'd like to make, let me know in the comments below, and maybe watch this next to see Western Camp Resort.